for older adults. That's not an unfamiliar theme. For some, it's all too familiar. At Valley Caregiver Resource Center, our passion is providing the tools you need to take care of your loved ones and take better care of yourself. Families impacted by Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, traumatic brain injury, stroke, and other chronic illnesses have found the help they need at Valley Caregiver Resource Center. Learn more by calling 559-224-9154.
America starts the day with America in the Morning.
First of 3 pushes of storminess.
Hi, I'm John Crouch, your host for the latest news, politics, entertainment, business, and weather.
Speech with political overtones.
Our staff of correspondents provide a fast-paced look at the world with specialized reports from where news happens.
This decision was based on finding there is a
So far, the central bank appears to be treading that.
Concise, accurate, and fresh each day.
America in the Morning, the podcast, available wherever you listen.
Springtime weather in the valley can be wild. Get up to the minute forecast from the ABC 30 weather team right here on KMJ, KMJNow.com, or wherever you stream.
Thank you for joining us here on the Afternoon Drive. That's Philip Teresi. My name is Curtis Johnson. We have known for decades that Oakland has had a major crime problem. It's kind of interesting. One of the turning points in recent times has been when In-N-Out closed their location. The only time that In-N-Out has ever closed the store. They didn't close it because it wasn't doing well. It was profitable. But they did it out of safety to their workers, because crime was so bad in Oakland. Now you've got Governor Newsom. He's already sent the CHP in there, trying to help out Oakland PD and their crime rate. Now Governor Newsom wants to team up with a private outfit called Flock Safety and install 480 cameras. The purpose of that is they've got a software system that can identify cars. They can identify them by make and color, and they can read license plate numbers. So obviously they're looking for wanted criminals. They want to get them off the streets. So they want to put in this camera system. That's already been done in other areas. For example, England has done that sort of thing for years. This is one of the few times where I would actually be in favor of one of the things the governor wants to do. I think Oakland has far been past the tipping point. And if installing these cameras can help that beleaguered city, what the heck, why not? Have I lost my mind?
No, I don't think you've lost your mind. I just think that we're frogs in a warming pot.
So we haven't quite reached boiling point.
No, but we're on our way. We're frogs in a pot. The water's getting warm. We're noticing that the water's getting warm, and right now the reaction's, that is kind of pleasant, isn't it? The problem is it's going to continue to accelerate. The contract with Flock Safety is about $1.5 million a year. There's a little bit of a bump early on for the cost to set up, but it's about $1.5 million annually to get these 480 cameras into Oakland. Cameras are great. Cameras are a good way to collect evidence. They are, if manned properly, a great way to track a suspect, to check a crime scene. The potential for easing the job of law enforcement is there. The problem is that we still got to have cops out there to go chase down the data that we're able to gather with those cameras. You can have an entire street corner of people watching a thing happen. And if the cops don't show up to deal with the bad guys, cool, you got a lot of witness statements, that's neat. And maybe eventually, if a cop is able to cobble together a coherent narrative or go to cameras in the area, or in this case, tap into the Flock Safety network and gather license plate recognition and so on, they may be able to then track down the suspects responsible for whatever the crime is that was committed. Then we've got the cost of the prosecution, the cost of the incarceration, the cost of the public defender, and there's all of these things that are required in order for this to be anything other than an empty gesture. None of those things are in place. This is an empty gesture, and it's a $1.5 million annual empty gesture. And it's an empty gesture that is causing people, not just in Oakland, but in the entire Bay Area, to normalize the presence of constant surveillance. And that's not helpful. And I mean, you talked about England, and that they've got CCTV cameras everywhere. I remember hearing a statistic about the number of times per day that the average Londoner is captured by a law enforcement camera, and it was insane. It was like hundreds of times a day that you're on camera, not doing anything wrong, not doing anything illegal, just grabbing a coffee on your way into the office. It is literally Orwellian.
Okay, let me bounce one other thing off you on this. And yes, Big Brother is watching without a doubt. So some of the impetus for this is you've got some major corporations. Blue Shield of California, Clorox, Kaiser Permanente, and PG&E all have major imprints in downtown Oakland.
Mm-hmm.
So these are four major corporations that are behind this. In fact, they're throwing in $10 million as part of it. Is this the tip of the hand? Are they saying, okay, we're going to give you this, and if this doesn't work, we're out of here?
I mean, no. The impression that I get is that $10 million security program to improve public safety and protect their employees is about liability abatement for them. They can say, well, we tried to help the cops, and we fenced in all of our parking lots, and we hired 24-hour armed security.
It's tire pressure. Okay. I like your shorts. Nice shirt too. Okay. Damn, those are cool shorts.
We have incredible parent engagement. Got a bunch of garbage that nobody reads. You've got emails coming up from administrators.
Okay.